Here we are again. We are moving right along in the Name That Big Cat Sound tutorial of the Big Cat Rescues video. And we are now going to do the tiger groan or moan. This one is not actually in my original how-to tutorial, so I'm kind of surprised I forgot to put this one in. So when we moan, it's like to get that echoing sound, the best way I can describe it, you're flexing your throat to just barely let air out, like a horn, you know. You know, when you're using a trumpet, you're just... You're going to do that with the back of your throat. And there is a reason why I don't do this one that often, because you are going to cough so hard. If you think your lips itch, if you do this correctly, it's going to itch bad. So you can start out with your open your mouth, tighten your throat. Oh my god. Starts doing that. You're pressing a little too hard. And you need to relax it a little. It sounds very insane of me to ask that, but relax it. I got it. Okay. I'm not gonna cough. Damn it. I'm not gonna do that one much longer. That's what I got. That's the tutorial of that one. You essentially have created the back of your throat to be a trombone. In your mouth, changing the shape of your mouth changes the tone of it. That's how you do a tiger moan groan thing. That's as best as I can describe how to do that one. It's very uncomfortable to do. I don't recommend doing it very long. If you believe you have recreated the sound, please comment how you did it, because I'm very curious as to how other people try to explain what went on in their throat to make that sound. This is very difficult. But thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe, and always, don't come back. Hear me groan.